I have to pee.
Again. Oh, I missed it. I love your alien. Oh, yep. This is fun.
Can't breathe while doing that.
We're gonna watch Dark Skies.
I think I typed it in wrong.
You kind of sound. Oh my god! Oh, I missed it again. My stomach feels funny again, Marissa.
I believe that's how you spell skies.
Esk. Yeah, I keep saying esk. You probably ate your mac and cheese too fast. You sound like a flying dinosaur. Like that dinosaur, what's it called? Flyodraptor.
I have to pee.
Go pee then.
Dirty stuff. I meant.
Oh, do you sound like creepy glass doll I got you?
It's in there, so it doesn't break. That was a really creepy doll.
It was the one I.
Is that why you gave it to me?
No, it's because I have blonde hair. The one I have has brown hair, and I keep it locked up because I'm afraid of glass dolls. My grandmother gave it to me, so I'm just like, ugh. She gave me a fucking huge glass doll. It was like, it was almost as big as me. Yeah, it was in a wedding dress. It was beautiful, but creepy. Oh my god. Skizzards. iPad. Water. Animal crackers. We made a mess. Isn't it beautiful? Well then. Oh, he's attractive.
Did it even play?
No. I'm watching a Mexican or food place.
I need to find that paper.
Okay, I'm done filming. Bye-bye. Say bye. Or not.
Oh, if it keeps smashed on the ground.
Or not.
Oh my god.